Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jeremy Carr, and today is Tuesday, November 18th.
And I'm Alexis Campoverde. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about Mickey Mouse's birthday.
Mickey's first appeared on November 18th, 1928, in the animated short film Steamboat Willie, which was one of the first cartoons to ever made with synchronized sound and first animated short to win an Academy Award. This debut didn't just introduce a character, it helped launch Walt Disney's entire animation empire.
Since then, Mickey has become one of the most recognizable characters in the world. He starred in hundreds of cartoons, inspired theme parks across the globe, and become a symbol of imagination, creativity, and childhood joy.
Whether you grew up watching Mickey, seeing him in theme parks, or spotting him on backpacks and notebooks everywhere, today's a perfect day to appreciate the mouse who started it all. And remember, no matter how chaotic your day gets, just channel your inner Mickey and say, "Oh boy!" Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Make sure to be considerate of Saugus neighbors and community on your way to and from school. Do not walk through people's yards, touch people's property, or move trash cans to park.
FBLA is hosting Toys for Tots until December 10th. Every unwrapped toy donated will be to one service hour. You can drop off toys in room C301.
The Pad Project Drive will be accepting donations of menstrual products until this Friday, November 21st. Each is worth one service hour. Item drop-off is in the library during school hours.
The Saugus Guitar program will be hosting concerts tomorrow and Thursday at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $5 ahead of time and $10 at the door.
Juniors, if you are interested in attending American Legion's California Boys and Girls State this summer in Sacramento, there will be an informational meeting this Thursday at lunch in the NPR for more information on how to apply. Now let's go to Jared Diaz with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. My name is Jared Diaz, and I'm here with this week's ASB Minute. Congratulations to our amazing football team for moving on to the CIF Southern Section semifinals this Friday against Apple Valley at Apple Valley starting at 7 p.m. Also, on Friday at brunch, stop by the stage to join our gingerbread decorating competition. You'll get a gingerbread man to decorate, which will be judged for a prize, so come down and showcase your artistic skills. This Thanksgiving, ASB is showing thanks to our community. We'll be hosting a food drive for families in need from October 20th through November 21st, and we will also be supporting the Pad Project's menstrual product drive running from November 3rd through November 21st. That's all for me, Sense. Now let's go to Megan Archussachat with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Jared. Good morning. I'm Megan Archussachat with today's Saugus Sports Update. As Jared said, this Friday's football plays in CIF semifinals at 7 p.m. at Apple Valley High School. If you are interested in attending the game, tickets are $15 for a bus ride to the game, a Jersey Mike's dinner, and an entry to the game. Spots are limited. The bus will leave at Saugus at 4 p.m. Good luck to football. Boys tennis tryouts will tentatively be this Thursday, November 20th at 3 o'clock on the Saugus tennis courts. Remember to bring your tennis racket, athletic shoes, and water. Stay tuned to changes due to the weather. The first ever intramural football Turkey Bowl tournament will continue today in the football field at lunch. Teams will consist of 4 players, and there will be a division for both boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are in the ASB office. Incredible prizes will be awarded to the winning teams. If you have not officially signed up, show up to the field with your team and you will be entered in the tournament. Good luck. That's all for me. To inspire you to contribute to your Thanksgiving meal, let's go to Mikhail Tizai with the first edition of our series, Cooking with Thanksgiving Dishes.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mikhail Tizai, cooking with SNN. In this edition of Cooking with Thanksgiving Side Dishes, we'll be making apple pie.
For the pie dough, you will need 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 sticks of butter, and 8 tablespoons of ice water. For the filling, you will need 4 large Granny Smith apples, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 beaten egg. Before you begin cooking, be sure to wash your hands and wear appropriate clothing. Also, be sure to wash your apples. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Next, cut your butter into small cubes and add it to a bowl along with your flour and salt. Use a fork to break up the pieces of butter into the flour. Next, gradually add in your ice water until the dough begins to come together. Once the dough has come together, knead it on a hard surface into a ball and wrap it in plastic wrap. Chill for 1 hour. While the dough is chilling, chop your apples into thinly sliced pieces. Combine your sugar, flour, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, juice, and your apples into a bowl. Mix well until combined. Next, roll out half your pie dough and spread it over a pie tin. Cut off excess dough if needed. Then add your apple filling to the pie tin and cover with the remaining dough. Brush beaten egg over the dough and sprinkle with sugar. Next, cut 4 slits at the top of the pie to create air vents. Place the pie in the oven and bake for 60 minutes or until the pie is golden brown. Remove the pie from the oven and let it cool. Once cool, it is ready to serve and enjoy.
This apple pie is a perfect way to end your Thanksgiving feast. For Cooking with SNN, I'm Mikhail Tizai reporting.
Thanks, Mikhail. That looks delicious. I wish you would have brought some to share.
Tomorrow, Jocelyn's will be on outdoor stage doing brunch and lunch for you to pick up any special graduation orders, including announcements and swag.
The Martin Luther King Jr. Unity Walk essay contest will be accepting submissions through December 1st. To enter, you must write a 1,000-word essay on how nonviolent actions can heal a divided nation. For more information on how to submit, scan the QR code above.
FBLA will be selling Thankful Grams until this Thursday, November 20th. If you are interested in purchasing one, you can get a Thankful Gram for $2 in the quad at lunch. Thankful Grams will be distributed this Friday, the 21st.
The Santa Clarita Scholarship Foundation is now accepting applications through January 16th. For more information on how to apply, go to scvsf.org. That's all for today. I'm Jeremy Carr. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Alexis Campoverde. Have a great day, and SNN will be back tomorrow.
Oh boy.